class 10th. In last video we started act 4 scene 1. Okay, in scene 1 you have seen that it begins or it opens in the court of Venice, and in the court of Venice you can see the Duke as a judge is there. Okay, and Antonio is there, and Bassanio, Graciano and other friends, and Magnificos also. You will see this word Magnificos. Magnificos means the person of distinguished rank. Okay, who is having high rank, high status, high appearance. Okay, officers you can say, they are also there as audience. Okay, and you can see that Duke, okay, you will observe that Duke is requesting Shylock to grant mercy to Antonio, and he has this hope that he says to Shylock that I believe that you will continue this act of cruelty till the last moment, but at the last moment you will not only forgive the penalty, but also you will reduce, or you will not take the principal sum, that is 3000 ducats. Okay, but and as you know that Shylock is very adamant. Okay, he is very stony hearted. Okay, and he is very rude, he is very cruel. So he said that there is no chance of giving any mercy to Antonio, because I do not have a particular reason, okay, for taking my penalty, for taking forfeiture, but this is the main, I have deep rooted hatred towards Antonio, so he denied to give mercy to him. Even Antonio also says to Bassanio that it's of no use begging mercy from Shylock, because you can do the difficult task of anything. Okay, you can even you can even request to high tides to settle down. You can even request the pine trees not to make the noise when the wind disturbs them. Okay, so all these things and are can be done, but requesting mercy, okay, for requesting Shylock for mercy is really not possible. So stop arguing with him. So now further, now we have done till here. Now further what we will see that now Nerissa and Portia, they will enter the court of law, that is court of Venice. Nerissa as a clerk and Portia as a lawyer. Okay, so now what will happen there, let's see there. Now let's do Shylock's part. What Shylock says: I have possessed your grace of what I purpose. Okay, I have possessed your grace of what I purpose means I have possessed means informed you. I have informed your grace. Your grace is due. Okay, I have informed you of about my intentions, about my planning. Okay, and by our holy Sabbath. Sabbath is the day, the Saturday. It's the sacred day. Jew people consider Saturday as a very sacred day. So holy means sacred. Okay, and by our holy Sabbath, I have sworn. Okay, and I have sworn, promised, okay, taken an oath by the Sabbath that I will have my what have I sworn to have the due and forfeit of my bond, to have the bond and the dues, to have my dues and the penalty laid down in my contract. If you deny it, let the danger light upon your charter and your city's freedom. Charter, what do you mean by charter? Charter means the document by which Venice was given independence. Okay, the legal document on which it is written, by which the Venice was granted freedom. Okay, given independence. So what he says that if you deny me, if you refuse to give me my right, then you will endanger the charter, the independency of your city, the freedom of your city. Okay. Then, and what he says that you will ask me why I rather choose to have a weight of carrot flesh than to receive 3000 tickets. You are asking me why I am willing to take forfeiture, why I am willing to take a pound of flesh, okay, rather than having 3000 ducats. Okay, what is a carrion? Carrion is a rotten flesh. Okay, carrion flesh means rotten flesh. What use? What use of that? Okay, I do not have any use of taking that flesh, but still I prefer to take it. And you are asking me why I am insisting on taking it rather than taking 3000 I will not answer that, but I am not willing to give answer to your question, but say it is my humor. But what I will say, it is my fancy, it is my interest, it is my humor. Okay, and I will answer that, except that I have a fancy for it, I have that is my interest. Okay, and it is answer. Now it is my humor. Is it answer? Okay, now your question is answered. And what if my house be troubled with a rat, and if I be pleased to give 10,000 ducats to have it banned? Now try to understand. Is your question answer? What does it matter if my house is troubled by a rat and I spend 10,000 ducats to have it poisoned? Is that a satisfactory answer? Means I don't mind giving or wasting 10,000 ducats in order to kill rats. Okay, what are your answer here? Now, some men there are love not a gaping pig. Gaping pig means the pig's head which is roasted. Okay, with mouth wide open. So some men there are love not a gaping pig, some that are mad if they behold a cat. Behold means see. There are some men who hate a gaping pig, who hate roasted pigs, and other people and others go mad if they see a cat. Okay, and others when the bagpipe sings, I the noise cannot contain for affection. Now what he says, and others cannot have their self-control. I means that is self-control when they hear the shrill notes of the bagpipe. It's a musical instrument. Okay, when they hear the shrill voice of the bagpipe, they started jumping. Okay, and they cannot contain, they cannot have control over themselves. So what mistress of passion means personal feelings. Okay, they rule our emotions, sways it to the mood of what it likes or loathes. Loathes means dislikes, hates. So our personal feeling rules our emotions, control our emotions, and it sways, it goes towards according to our likes or dislikes. Means our personal feelings are controlled by our emotions, are ruled by our emotions, and personal feelings rules our emotions. Okay, control our emotions, and it goes, it sways it towards our likes or dislikes. Clear? Now for your answer, as there is no firm reason to be rendered. Now to answer your question, just test, see what examples, more examples he is giving. As there is no firm reason to be rendered, I do not have any particular reason why he cannot abide a gaping pig, why he a harmless necessary cat, why he a woolen bagpipe but of force. Means what he's saying, now why, just as people have no good reason, they do not have any particular reason for hating gaping pig, and they do not want to see harmless domestic cat or wool covered bagpipe, but when they are themselves offended, when these persons are themselves offended, they are compelled to react in such a shameful manner, and they must give offense to others. The person who is himself hurted, okay, who is himself hurt, he is forced to harm others. Means if a person is hurt, then he is compelled to react in such a shameful manner, and then he decides to offend others. Okay, and in the same way, okay, and I bear more than a lodge hate and certain loathing, I bear Antonio that I follow thus, and the same hate, same reason I take for Antonio, in the same way I have no reason reason to give for taking a pound of flesh from Antonio. I do not have any particular reason, but because I have a deep rooted hatred, a losing suit against him, are you answered? Why I am willing to take a pound of flesh? Because I have a deep rooted hatred and anger for Antonio, so I pursue this unprofitable case. Why this is, are you sure, means a losing suit, means this is unprofitable. Why it is unprofitable case? Because this pound of flesh is of no use to me. Are you answered? Now do you have your answer? Bassanio, I am not bound to. Bassanio, this is no answer, thou unfeeling man, to excuse the current of thy cruelty. This is not a good answer. This is not a satisfactory answer. You are a heartless man on account of your merciless action. Why you are heartless? Because of your merciless action. Shylock, I am not bound to please thee with my answer. I am not obliged, I am not responsible to give you a satisfactory answer in order to please you. Bassanio, do all men kill things they do not love? Means, do all men kill anything which they dislike? Shylock, hates any man the thing he would not kill? Then do all men kill? Is there any man who does not kill something that he truly hates? Bassanio, every offense is not a hate at first, means every fault is not hatred from the very beginning, means the mistakes one who commits is not starts from the hatred. Shylock, then what he says, what would thou have a serpent sting twice? Means, would you allow a snake, serpent means a snake, to sting you twice? Now Antonio was listening to their conversation. What he says, see, I pray you, think you, question with the Jew. I pray you, I request you, Bassanio, you are arguing with a Jew. Question with the Jew means you are arguing with a Jew. You may as well go stand upon the beach. It's better, in spite of arguing with the Jew, with this Jew, you might as well stand on the beach, means the shore, and ask the ocean tide not to rise, and just make the oceans flood, okay, and the tides not to rise, not to go high, as bid the main flood bait his usual height, and please order the main flood, the ocean water, okay, tides, to stop to reach to its usual height. You may as well use question with a wolf. Even you might ask the wolf a question. What's the question? Why he hath made the ewe bleed for the lamb? Why he made the mother sheep? Ewe, lamb means why he made the ewe bleed, that is mother sheep. Mourning, that is sadness for the lamb he devoured, okay, mourn for the lamb he killed. Even you may as well forbid the mountain pines. Even you might order or forbid the pine trees on the mountain to sway their high tops, okay, to move their high tops and make noise when disturbed by the wind from above. Okay, you may as well forbid the mountain pines. Okay, pines means pine trees on the mountain to wag, to sway, to move their high tops and make no noise, and not to make any noise when disturbed by the wind. When they are frightened with the gust of heaven, when they are moved, disturbed by the waves of wind. You may as well do anything most hard as seek to soften them. Even you might do the most difficult thing in the world rather than attempt a thing that is still harder. Many difficult things you can do, but the most difficult part is to soften the Jewish heart. Okay, then what harder? His Jewish heart. Therefore I do, means it's very difficult to soften the Jewish heart. So that's why I beseech you, I request you, not to make him any more offers, not to make any more offers to him, okay, and use no further means, but with all brief and plain conveniency let me have judgment and the Jew his will. But I request you not to make any more offers, nor to take any more steps, but with all due speed, hurriedly, okay, and simplicity as it is convenient to you, let me have the judgment and let the Jew have his will. What judgment? I am ready to give 1 pound of flesh and let Shylock to take his penalty. Bassanio, for thy 3,000 ducats, here is 6. Now he has made an offer to Shylock that in place of 3,000 ducats, I am ready to give you 6,000 ducats. What Shylock says, if every ducat in 6,000 ducats, means if each of the 6,000 ducats were divided into 6, were in 6 parts, means if one part of 6,000 ducats will be divided into 6 parts, then each part was a ducat and each part was a ducat, yet I would not accept them. I would have only my bond. 6,000 ducats, and if one ducat is in 6 part, then it will be 36,000 ducats, okay. Then still I will not accept it. Duke, how shall thou hope for mercy, rendering none? Then how, if you are not showing mercy to other, then how can you hope for the God's mercy? Then how you can expect, if you will be in problem, you will be in difficulty, then how you will expect mercy from God when you are not ready to render it to others?